What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to look at working day calculations. Let's say you have a deadline of a certain date, and how many working days do you have? Or maybe you got to figure out if you need to pull in a few weekends, which sucks, but it's good to know. Let's take a look at this one first. We want to see the days between the beginning of the year and say we had a deadline of today. How many working days did we have there? We just go equals net and net work days right here. Returns the number of whole work days between two dates. This is going to assume, also we'll go start date there, end date right there, and the holidays. How many did we have? We had what? President's Day, MLK Day, New Year's Day. If I'm forgetting one, my mistake, but let's say 3. Close that, and there it is. We had 64 working days in the first 3 months of the year. And let's try the other one really quickly. Let's say this one also factors in that you're off on Saturday, Sunday. It assumes that. So if a holiday falls on a Monday, then you're getting one less working day. If it's on a Saturday, like Christmas Day is a Saturday, it's going to assume you're working Monday and Friday, so it'll have one extra working day, that kind of thing. This one, actually we'll get to that one in a bit. So let's say we have an active count here. Oh yeah, that's right. That's what we were doing. Okay, so we want to see how many days we have, let's say, have passed between this certain day and today. We've got, let's do this. There we go, 42 days. Active count. So we use 2 functions here. The first one is today. So if we want to get the certain today, or the date today equals today, just hit tab and close the parentheses. And you'll have today. You open the spreadsheet tomorrow, that's going to be April 1st. You open it up tomorrow, this will be April 1st because it says today right here. So that's a fun way to where you'll never have to, I have several sheets where I need the date in there when I save them and send them off. And, or if you print them or something, you can just do equals today. You never have to worry about changing the date. It's fantastic. So on this, we want to get an active count. Let's say this was, let's call it 3/30/2021. We want to do equals net working days. We'll have this. And we have, actually we'll do this one. Same thing. Start date, beginning of the year. End date, there. And then holidays. Actually, here's what we'll do. Net working days, start date. We're going to start here. And end date will go there. Holidays 0. You have 2. Maybe you want to see how many you have in between here. You could do it relative equals that minus 5 or 4 working days, or maybe you want to see how many you had this month. 3/01/2021. 23 days there, and then tomorrow 24, 25. And so on. So you can get an active count of days in between. So I assigned it to you on this date. You're waiting for someone to give you a response. It does the difference. There you go. You can say, no, I sent that to you 25 working days ago, sir. Okay. Countdown. Much the same, just a subtraction. Equals net working days, start date. We will do here. End date here. Holidays, let's say 4. We have that. Oh yeah, so we've got that 198 days until that start date. Yep. So if we had till the end of the year to finish something up, 198, or let's say it's, maybe July 7. Is it right? 30 days, I believe so. 88 days. That's terrifying. I have a deadline then. Anyway. This one, we're going to change the weekend or days off. A little bit different. So equals net, same function, net work days. But we're going to do this one. And all it does is it lets us pick when our weekends are. We can pick weekends, we can pick holidays. So instead of defaulting to Saturday, Sunday, if we're off Monday, Tuesday, maybe we're off Sunday, Monday, Friday, Saturday, who knows. Start date, we will go there. End date, we will go there. Weekend. This is the added function here. Saturday, Sunday, that's our normal one. So we'll default to that. Why not? We'll show another example holidays. Let's say we had 0 holidays in between. 6 days equals, we'll type it again, start date, comma, end date, comma, weekend, and instead of that, we're going to go Monday, Tuesday. Holidays 0. But if we go here, you see how it'll adjust for us? It definitely changes and takes into account the differences. So if someone's working a slightly different schedule than you, or maybe they're on 4/10s, you're on 5/8s, it's just something that gives you a better idea of how scheduling can work and how you can schedule your time better. That's about it for this one. Just counting days in between. Excel's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.